What's up guys, Sparky Izzy here, and today I want to share my experience with Milwaukee's e-service tool repair that they advertise on their website. So the tool I sent in was a Milwaukee 1/4 inch fuel impact driver, and the drill worked sometimes, but for the most part when you hit the trigger it just wouldn't spin at all. So I went back and checked the date when I purchased this item, and it was a little bit under 5 years ago. So on Milwaukee's website, it's pretty straightforward. You just add your tool, you just type in the model number, and then it's going to ask you for a serial number and you type that in. And once you're done filling out some personal info, you just print out the shipping label and you send it on in. So one thing that I appreciated very much is that they would email me every time something would happen. So when the tool would get there, they emailed me. When someone was looking at it, they emailed me. They were very on point with keeping me updated on the whole process, which is amazing because they advertise 7 to 10 business days that your tool will be repaired if it's warranty or non-warranty. And we all know time is money, and if we're out of a tool, especially if we use it every day, that's going to hurt us out in the field. So the 7 to 10 business day turnaround is very impressive to me, and I feel like that's a reasonable time to get a tool in and out. So everything was going good until I got an email that said I was denied warranty. So I assumed it was because my tool was over the 5-year mark, but it was actually because the serial number was not readable. But I shined the light at an angle and I was able to read all the letters and able to type it in, and was able to confirm that it was under the 5-year mark. So I was a little bit disappointed. So when you are denied warranty, you have 3 different options. You can either choose to repair it for $98, or for this tool is $98. You can have the tool returned to you unrepaired with possible shipping charges of $10.95, and it's going to be disassembled per Milwaukee's policy. Or you can have the tool recycled, which would be recycled at their facility and will not be returned to you. So I just chose to have them send it back to me, but now I was nervous because I was going to have to pay for shipping and I would have a disassembled drill. In my situation, it didn't make sense for me to pay the $98 for their service because the tool only cost me about $62 brand new. Now I love the concept of fixing tools and all, but obviously it didn't work out in my favor and I was a little bit disappointed. But at the end of the day, I was mentally preparing myself that this would happen, so I'm cool with it. I just wish at the very least Milwaukee could send a coupon, maybe that would expire or something, just so I can get a percentage off to buy another one of their tools. So let me know down in the comments below if you have done this before and what was your experience like. Was it a positive or negative experience? And what kind of tool was it? I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Sparky Izzy, peace.